Hello, welcome back to part 5 of preparing for camp. And this week we are tackling the most common topic of discussion for May, which is packing. Firstly, do we have to ship our campers' belongings ahead of time? And the answer to that is yes. It is a really important part of welcoming campers to Akeela, and it helps them feel a real sense of belonging when they get to camp. We highly recommend sending your bags through Ship Camps, who are a really wonderful company who make this whole process very, very easy. There are a few other options to get your bags to camp, like dropping off using USPS or FedEx, and all of those options are detailed in the family handbook. Another question that we get often is, what type of bags should we use? Now, if you have luggage at home that works for you and your family, use those. But if you are buying bags for camp, we recommend duffels or soft trunks. Because we unpack our campers into shelves and cubbies, we don't keep their luggage in the cabin, and so we store them somewhere else, and space is limited. So having something that takes up a ton of space, like a trunk or a heavy suitcase, isn't ideal. So we really recommend duffels and soft bags. And of course, what should we pack? So again, the family handbook has the answers. We have a detailed recommended packing list in our family handbook, which includes absolutely everything that your camper will need at camp. Space in bunks is limited, so our number one request here is please don't overpack. We do work with a laundry service, and we do laundry every 8 to 10 days, and so you can rest assured your camper will always have something clean. My last note is on labeling. Camp requires that every item bought to camp, from socks to e-readers, is clearly labeled with the camper's name. We have a recommended vendor for that as well in the family handbook, where you can purchase labels, but Sharpie does the job too. As always, if you have specific packing questions, you know where we are. Just pick up the phone or an email, and we can't wait to see you in June.